Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping in, and if you are one of my regulars, thank you so much for watching once again. So today I wanted to go ahead and create a nice fall look with another one of my Profusion palettes, and this one, as you can see, is the Siennas palette. Now I picked up these Profusion palettes I think maybe a couple of months ago when they first popped up with these new palettes, and they've just kind of been sitting here waiting for me to try them out. So today is the Sienna's day. I just did a video trying out the chocolate palette, and I really like that palette. So today I decided to go ahead and create a fall look using this gorgeous palette. So this is what the shades look like in here, just to give you a closer look. Very, very pretty. It's just a nice warm fall palette. If you like these colors and you're not really wanting to do anything wild and crazy, you can definitely do a gorgeous look with this palette. Now I will say, these shades, they do take a little bit of building up. They're not like completely packed with pigment when you first go in and use them, but they are pigmented. They're not dull or ashy or anything like that. You can definitely build them up to a nice pigment. They do blend very nicely together. Now, I am a mattes girl. I do occasionally like to go in with the shimmers and everything for a cut crease, but the normal looks, the regular looks that I like to create, I tend to kind of be drawn to mattes for some reason. Even when I'm doing a cut crease, I still like to use mattes, but I do like shimmers, but for some reason I'm more prone to do a matte look. So if you are like shimmer crazy, you might not like some of my looks because I don't always do shimmers. I don't always use shimmers. Now, I'm not going to swatch this palette only because of the fact that I do have a video where I talk about all of the new palettes that they came out with, and I will go ahead and link that above. I did do a video using the Chocolates palette. I will also link that either in the iCards or it'll be at the end of the video if you want to take a look at a look that I created with the Profusion Chocolates palette. But basically with this palette, I really enjoyed using it. It wasn't difficult at all for me to use. The pigments showed nicely. They blended nicely together. I mean, this palette is only what, 10 bucks, $9.99. You can get it on the Profusion website, and they do sell these palettes in Target stores. So very easy to pick up, easy to get, at an extremely reasonable price. So 10 bucks for all of these shades, not bad at all. So I like this palette. This isn't really a review of this palette. It's just kind of me trying out and giving you my thoughts on this palette. I like Profusion palettes. I love the quality of them. They're not the highest quality palettes, but for 10 bucks, they get the job done. There are some palettes that I've tried, like some of the blush palettes or highlight palettes, that I really don't care for just because they're not really geared towards my skin tone. Maybe more fair skin tones they'll work better on, but for me personally, they don't show up that well. But for the eyeshadow palettes, I really do like them. I love creating looks with them. So if you'd like to go ahead and stick around and see how I created this look today using the Profusion Siennas palette, then stay tuned because it's coming up next.